Stop scrolling. This cheesy potato masterpiece will steal your heart and your appetite. I start by placing the potatoes in a pot, adding water, a little salt, bay leaves, and a stick of cinnamon. Let them cook for 20 minutes until perfectly soft and flavorful. While the potatoes soften, I chop chicken breast and cook it in butter and oil until golden and juicy. Where are you watching from? And what potato recipe should I make next? Then I sauté chopped onions, colorful bell peppers, and fresh mushrooms. If you love easy, cheesy potato recipes, like this video, subscribe for more, and turn on the notification bell. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. The smell, insane. The potatoes are ready. I mash them with the skin on for extra texture and nutrients. Then mix in our delicious chicken and veggie filling. And now the best part. A thick layer of stretchy mozzarella on top. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 C until perfectly melted and golden brown. Look at that. Creamy inside, crispy cheese on top. You'll fall in love at the first bite.